Fried rice is one of the special meals enjoyed in parties, events, occasions, or special gatherings. Today, I will share a delicious party fried rice recipe you can serve to your guests, family members, or those that you want to serve it with. Hello friends, you're watching Queen Varieties channel. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with your friends and loved ones. Also, remember to turn on your bell notifications so that you will get instant alerts anytime I upload. Follow me on all my social media platforms, Instagram and Facebook. Thank you. The items you see on my work surface right now is going to be the bedrock of today's recipe. You will require 4 onions, different colors of scotch bonnet peppers, garlic, basil, and little quantity of green chili. These ingredients will be transferred to my food processor and crushed down, coarsely blended. So because I want to make this dish to be highly appealing to sight, at the same time very delicious and spatially different, we are going to create a green marinade. We will need bell peppers, and I'm using precisely the green ones which has been deseeded. At the same time, you will need spring onions. Also, I have fresh parsley, fresh basil, different sizes of green chili. These ingredients I will combine inside a blender, add water to it, and have it crushed down completely well. And this you have to do smoothly blended. This is your opportunity to subscribe. Please like this video because by so doing you're helping my channel. My choice of protein today will be 2 combinations of liver and kidney. I am using 2 ingredients because it plays a huge role in this dish. Next, you will require chicken. Please go for the hard chicken if you have it. For today, I'm using the soft chicken. Both proteins have been included into the pot. Here, I'm going to add salt seasoning cube to taste. Remember, as you can see, these items were placed in 2 different pots, which is very, very important to avoid, the color interfering with the chicken. Next, I'm going to add the ingredients that we coarsely blended. Please add as much as possible. At the same time, I will pour in the mixture that we blended, that is the green marinade. You're going to add little quantity of that to the chicken as well as the other pot. Mix thoroughly, combine. Here you're going to cover the pot and cook this for exactly 15 good minutes or 15 to 20 minutes. Just in case you're using the hard chicken, you have to cook it longer, somewhere between 30-35 minutes or thereabout should be perfect to cook it. 15 to 20 minutes later, I am back to check the pot, and guys, this chicken now is perfectly cooked and it smells incredibly awesome. I will set them aside into my baking tray because I'm going to have it grilled. I will add a tablespoon of butter to that. You can also fry yours if you prefer. The next step, I'll begin to sieve the green marinade that was blended in the blender. Pass that across a sieve, sieve it completely, and also save the chaff, okay, because you can use it next time you want to steam any protein. For the chicken stock, I will do exactly the same thing. Sieve it completely. The chaff, I won't throw it away. I will also save that. Mix everything to combine, cover the pot, and bring it to a boil. Look into the pot now. You will see that the stock looks a bit foamy in nature. By the time we cook it for some time, you will notice it has changed. All right, now look at how the pot looks. It has now changed in appearance and it boils extensively. Next, I will add a mixture of turmeric and curry powder and also the washed rice. For this recipe, you will find all ingredients in the description section. Mix to combine. Next, introduce salt to taste. You can notice we have a reasonable quantity of stock inside the pot, but on top of the rice, you don't see any water above it. This step is very, very important. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. 5 minutes later, the water has now completely absorbed. Still, we have a reasonable level of moisture in there. Introduce a tablespoon of butter, mix to combine. Here you're going to stir everything perfectly well and then foil this rice and cook on the lowest heat for exactly 30 to 35 minutes. Make sure you stir the rice in between because I'll be doing that off camera. The chicken now is completely grilled. This is what it looks like, guys. It tastes incredibly awesome and delicious. I will also retransfer it back to the oven and allow it to dry a little bit. This is the stage you have to now fry the liver and the kidney. This I'll be doing on medium heat until everything is completely fried. Back to the rice, my beautiful friends. It's exactly 35 minutes or thereabouts. Guys, the rice is now ready. Look at how fluffy the rice looks. It smells incredibly awesome. Guys, this kitchen is oozing with wonderful aroma. Yeah, so you can see our rice turned out 1-1. That is very, very important for your fried rice. This is the last segment of preparation where we have to combine everything together. Into my preheated wok, I'll add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Introduce all the remaining ingredients left in the food processor. Fry that down for at least 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, I'll add a pair of seasoning cubes. Next, dry rosemary, dry thyme. I'm using exactly 1 tablespoon of each ingredient mentioned. Add 1 teaspoon of curry powder. These ingredients will help to elevate flavor and also boost the taste and flavor. After toasting that for 1 minute, we will now begin to fry on highest heat. I will introduce carrots and peas. I am using fresh carrots and frozen peas. Toast that for exactly 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, I will bring in the fried liver and kidney into the pot. That looks so beautiful. Next, I will bring in sweet bell peppers and sweet corn. This will bring a level of sweetness into the fried rice. Introduce salt to taste. Mix everything to combine for only 1 minute. After 1 minute, we'll begin to fry the rice. I just want to say a very special thank you to you. If you're watching this video up to this time, you've been so supportive. God bless you. Remember to like this video. Please subscribe, share this video with your friends and loved ones, because by doing so, you're supporting my channel and also my efforts. I have placed another wok on my surface, a little wok for that matter. I'll split the sauce into different segments and now begin to fry the rice accordingly. So what I will do now is begin to add the rice into the pot and then fry. That's what we are going to do in this segment. Keep toasting the rice on the highest heat until everything is ready. When needed, you add more sauce and keep adding more rice to it. If you don't want to do this step, you can also use a smaller pot and fry all the rice step by step by using the sauce gradually until everything is completed. Now I'll add 1 tablespoon of butter to every of the pots and then begin to fry. At this point in time, I have a little helper in the kitchen. Okay guys, so I'll be doing this step for exactly 5 to 10 minutes. If you've been watching my fried rice recipes, I always tell you that the secret lies in the frying. The longer you fry it, the better, the tastier it becomes. More elevated flavors. The outcome will be incredibly delicious. So after 10 good minutes, my people, our rice is ready. I'm now beginning to serve because, guys, trust me, the family is hungry. Everybody is expecting me to serve this delicious meal that has been smelling everywhere. A few minutes from now, we are going to welcome the new year. So this is something you want to serve during the new year gathering with your friends and loved ones, and everybody will have a delightful experience. Here I'm going to draw the curtain for today's recipe. This is the last video I'll be shooting in the year 2021. Happy New Year to you all. God bless you. Thank you so much for making Queen Varieties channel a wonderful place to be this year 2021. God bless you all. Subscribe, like. Remember, variety is the spice of life. Bye for now.